Well, here we go. Another global pandemic, another lockdown. Hoarded toilet paper, conspiracy theories. Only this time around, I'm not gonna burn the sourdough. One day at a time. Just tell us what's going on already. 3 weeks? Just tell us what the fuck is going on! Ugh! It's been 1 month? I don't know, I can't keep track of time anymore. It just kind of ebbs and flows with no reason to it. Sometimes I find myself staring at nothing for hours. I startled myself farting, like a reminder I still existed. This pandemic, it's not like the last one. I burned the fucking sourdough. My teeth ache. I think I've been grinding them to stop from screaming. I haven't spoken to another living human in weeks. Not even my parents. Just tell us something. Just tell us what's going on. So the official word is that it's not a virus. You'd think the conspiracy nuts would be ranting about bioweapons and lab leaks, or the religious wackos crowing about divine justice or some shit. But everybody's gone quiet. Everybody knows it's different this time. One thing for certain, though. No vaccine is coming. All those people. What do we used to call them? Essential workers. They're all dead now. There's no power. No cell service. I keep my phone charged with my little camping solar panel. When there's no smoke in the sky. There's been so much smoke. I record myself just to have something to do. Water will likely go next. I haven't been that thirsty, though. I don't even recognize myself. My cheeks seem more pointy. I'm not sleeping. More like I'm fading in and out. When I'm here, I'm cold and angry and sad, thinking of a life that could have been and now will never be. My fucking thermometer is broken. Look at this. It's 100 degrees. It's 100 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm fucking freezing. The furnaces, they've been running 24/7 now. Too many dead. They can't get rid of the bodies fast enough. I try to keep the smoke out. My insides feel like they're shutting down. I'm constantly hungry, but at the same time, I'm constantly nauseous. Did I drink any water today? Did I drink any this week? Smoke got in through a furnace vent. Feels like clouds of ice freezing my lungs. The smoke. Things in the smoke. Like bright neon worms swimming through my veins. Chewing through everything that made me. Me. It's funny, I forgot my phone. I used to not go anywhere without it. I wish I could have recorded him. The smoke cleared and I went out for food, I guess. It's even colder in the sunlight. And then I saw him and he was lying in the road already half turned to ash. He said that we shouldn't have burned the bodies. The ash, it comes back as flames and just gets hotter. And then he just fell apart. And then his ashes, they started to burn. I just ran. And then I saw them. Pillars of flame. Walking. The cars stopped exploding. There are no more stars at night. Only sparks rising. Fire needs oxygen and fuel. I don't know how they keep continuing to burn when there's no fuel left. Do they burn their anger? Do they burn their grief? Maybe they burn the past. Or what would have been our future. All the veils burned away. Now I see. We do not burn the future. We burn to prepare the future. To warm the earth for its new owner.